I'm using the Covergirl Exhibitionist. Will I ever say this word? Hi friends, it's your guy Eli Levi, and welcome back to my channel. It is springtime, officially. I'm giving you this beautiful, glowy, dewy, everything that you need for a spring look, using only products that you can find at your local drugstore. I wanted to finally get stuff that's a little more accessible, something that's cheaper than my normal Sephora haul. I don't know, I've not really done a full face drugstore video, so I thought today would be the perfect opportunity to do that. All products mentioned on my channel are cruelty-free. That being said, let's get into the song. Cruelty-free or it's not for me. If you want to see how I get this beautiful look only using drugstore products, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright, so let's get started. So starting off with the e.l.f. primer. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm very excited. It's tone adjusting, and since I'm breaking out a lot, I just thought a green primer would be perfect for this occasion. It feels very silicone-y. I don't know if it did anything, but if it did, that's great. So Jeffree Star tried this e.l.f. foundation and said it was incredible, so I decided to get the e.l.f. foundation. I wanted to say to be careful not to apply too much, but I think I already did. Don't forget those neck and ears. I know you do. I know that you forget them. Don't worry. Now that I reminded you, now you're gonna do it. Okay, you see, I got you. I got you. I don't know how I feel about this foundation. It kind of emphasizes my dry patches a little bit. I have a little bit right here and a little bit right here. So not really sure if I'm liking this or not. I'm using the new Can't Stop Won't Stop concealers in the shade Vanilla. So I'm using Coty Airspun powder. Obviously I've heard everyone rave about it, but I've never actually tried it. People say it smells like grandma's, so... Oh yeah, oh no, I don't like that smell at all. I'm gonna quickly set that underneath my eyes. I'm gonna set some on my chin. I'm gonna set my eyes to prepare for my eyeshadow. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a good powder. I just don't recommend smelling it like ever. Alright, for blush, I'm using a liquid blush because we're going glowy today. So I'm gonna use it on my E4 and I'm just rubbing it. It's in the shade 802A. It's a really pretty apricot color. We're looking a little pale right now, so I'm gonna bronze up the face. Of course, I'm using the Butter Bronzer. Obviously, what else would I be using? And I'm just putting that underneath my cheekbones, on my forehead, on my chin, just warming up the skin. I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. I've seen so many people use this. I've even mentioned it on my channel, but I've never actually used it until now. So I'm very excited because I've heard very good things about this highlighter. Ooh, that is so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna add some highlight to my nose, just down the bridge as well. Add some to the cupid's bow. Since we want to glow for spring today, I'm adding it right above my temples, kind of like everywhere, because we're glowy today. I mean, what am I not glowing on my channel? We love a good glow. So I'm using this e.l.f. Duo Brow Powder. One's a pomade and one's a powder, and I really like this color on me. And then I have the NYX Auburn Brow Pencil, of course. I'm gonna do a little bit of magic on the brows, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so brows are on, and ever feel like you have a bad brow day? Because that's what I'm feeling right now. I don't know what happened. I love these products. I always use them. But I don't know what's happening with my brows today, so kind of just ignore it. But anyway, let's get onto the eyes. I got this e.l.f. trio. It's called the Sculpting Silk Eyeshadow in Rosé All Day. And I thought it was a pretty basic palette you can get at the drugstore. I've heard e.l.f. shadows perform really well. Personally, I've never really tried it. This is kind of all stuff that I've never really tried before, but I'm hoping the eyeshadow look turns out pretty good. We're going for something basic, monochromatic, something easy. So I'm just taking this shade right here. It's just like a matte brown shade, almost like a coffee color. And I'm just gonna throw that into my crease. I'm just swiping it back and forth in the crease, just like this, on a fluffy blending brush. I'm using the dark brown shade right here, and I'm just gonna pack that on the outer third portion of the eye to add some depth. So I'm just adding that with a smaller tapered blending brush, and I'm just packing that on the outer third. They are really powdery. So this eye look is a little more dramatic than I wanted, but it's cute. I want to go back in with that blending brush and just start kind of blending the shadow out so it's not as intense. Alright, so I'm taking that middle shade. It's like a peachy metallic. And hopefully this shows up when I pack it on my eye. I mean, I don't hate the shade. It just seems a little lackluster, you know? I'm gonna take that highlight that we used earlier, the Wet n Wild highlight. I'm gonna pack that on the lid, at least on the center of the lid, just to give it a little something. I think it added a little something. I'm gonna add that matte coffee brown color underneath my lash line. I'm gonna pop on this highlighter in the corner. So I took a little bit of grandma's powder and added it right by my eyeshadow. It gave the eyeshadow a little bit of an angle because before it was kind of like all over the place. I wasn't really happy with it. I'm gonna cut my lashes. I'm using the Covergirl Exhibitionist mascara. I think I accidentally got the waterproof one, so that'll be fun to take off. So I don't like this Covergirl Exhibitionist mascara like at all. So maybe it's because I got the waterproof kind. Maybe if I didn't get the waterproof kind, it would actually work better. But it's just really dry and I don't like it. Oh wait, actually, since it's really dry, I might be able to like get the bottom mascara. Although I don't like it for my top lashes, I kind of like it for my bottom lashes. They kind of look good, so I'm not complaining about that. So these are the Kiss lashes in style number 3, and I kind of like them, so I'm gonna use them. All right, lashes are on. They're really cute, really natural, really fluffy. Enter these are cute. Next, I'm using the Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Pink. It's like really Barbie pink, but I'm not mad at it. I'm not used to like wearing bright pinks. I thought it'd be way more muted than it actually was, but it's very spring, very cute. To set my face, I'm using the Natural Wet n Wild Focus Setting Spray. That's a lot of setting spray. And this is the finished look. Alright guys, that completes today's video. Overall, I think I really liked everything from the drugstore. Primer, not really a fan of the primer. I liked the foundation, I liked the concealers. The powder smells like grandma, but I do actually like it. The brow products are great. The eyeshadow, I would not get the eyeshadow. I wasn't a fan of it. The lashes are great. The blush is good. I think if you build it up, it looks really pretty on the skin. The highlighter is great. The lipstick is great. The setting spray is good. The only things that I did not like were the mascara, the primer, and the eyeshadow. But everything else was pretty good. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post every Tuesday, so make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified every time I upload. Sometimes we forget to love ourselves, so make sure to do some self-care. You are loved. You are beautiful, you are strong. I kind of want to add that at the very end of my videos because for me it's important. I forget to hear that sometimes, so I just want to remind you guys. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Mwah.